Adding an introduction to your Qualtrics survey helps set the context for respondents and provides important information about the survey. Here's how to include an introduction. Log into Qualtrics. Go to Qualtrics and log in with your credentials. Open your survey. From the dashboard, select the survey you want to edit and open it in the survey editor. Add a new block. Click on the plus add block button at the bottom of the survey flow. This will create a new section where you can add introductory content. Insert introduction text. In the new block, click Add Question and choose Text or Graphic to add a text element. This will allow you to input the introduction content. Enter your introduction. Use the text editor to provide a clear and concise introduction. Include information such as the purpose of the survey, instructions for completion, and any relevant background details. You can also format the text with bold, italics, or bullet points as needed. Add the Continue button. Ensure that the block includes a Continue button so respondents can move on to the rest of the survey. Save and preview. Click Save to apply the changes. Use the preview function to ensure the introduction displays correctly and effectively communicates your message.